Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as your camera. So first of all, we need to install the software in mobile and PC. First of all, we are going to this website. I'll give you the description in the link in the below. So if you are using Windows, then download the Windows version. Then if you are using the Mac, using the Mac version. Then if you are using Ubuntu, then select the Ubuntu version. So I have already downloaded the file. Here you can see. Now we are going to install it. So just open the file, accept the agreement, next install. There are a couple things that they need to download. So we are going to wait for the finish the download. That Indian webcam is having some file downloaded, so it's need the file to run smoothly. Just wait patiently to download the required file. In your mobile, if you are using Android, then go to Play Store, or if you are using Mac like iPhone, then go to App Store. Go to Play Store, then search bar, search EV Owner. Then first of all, here in first line, you can select this one, Irion 4K webcam for PC and Mac. Select install. Done. Now open. Continue. So here you can see allow voice while using the app. Wait, if you are having this problem like mine, here you can see enable USB debug. So you need to enable the USB debug. You need to enable the developer option to do that. Go to about and then go to status information. Now, yeah, when you tap more than 10 times in builder information, then draw your pattern and developer mode has been enabled. So just again this one, enable USB debugging. Yeah, scroll down here, USB debugging, select enable. Okay, now again we are going to open the camera. Okay, yeah. So first of all, we need to enable the software in the PC. Here you can see Irion webcam server is running on your PC, Mac. This phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So that's it.